Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust the HUE on your Sharp Android TV. While you're either within some app like Netflix or YouTube, or if you're watching live TV, click on menu button on your remote. Now you'll see this menu or a different one, depending on whether you're watching live TV or YouTube. There will be a menu, but they may look different, but it doesn't matter because if you go to picture, in that menu that you see, this menu within the picture will look exactly the same here. So you just need to go to HUE and adjust it. You can go to the left, right, which will, I believe, make the image more greenish, or go to the right to make the image more, no, I think now it's more greenish or maybe orangish. Yeah, you just need to adjust it however you actually feel like. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.